look, I think the only time you'd call it normal is there's probably three scenarios, okay, that I can think of. The first one is you've had a really big day and you're really tired, okay. The second one would be if you've had some alcohol and had maybe a bit too much alcohol. And the third one is if you've got a cold. If you've got a cold and your nose is all blocked and snuffly and so forth, you might snore from that. But that's sort of acute snoring that goes away, and it's circumstantial. So that's the only time snoring could be considered normal.